start with the market action of the day. The bulls continue to build on yesterday's momentum. So the Nifty and the Sensex ended over 0.5% higher. The Sensex is now comfortably above the 36,000 mark, while the Nifty closed above the 11,000 mark for the first time in a month. The broader markets underperformed the benchmarks, while mid-cap gains were very clearly measured. The Nifty Bank only gained 0.25%. Surabhi Upadhyay is here with a wrap of the trading action. Surabhi, the bulls held on to their gains very clearly today, but what is the sense in the market as to how sustainable this momentum is?
Another good day where bulls managed to retain control, the Nifty building on its momentum and a final close around the 11,050 mark. Today, the mid-cap action was a little more measured and banks sort of underperformed. So with that, let me now quickly come down to the trends. The gainers first on the index. BPCL, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, and some of the heavyweights like Reliance and ITC played their bit for the index. There were gains on Titan as well. Stock was sparkling all through the way. Banks is where the picture got a little more mixed. ICICI Bank, very solid show and good support for the index. SBI in positive territory, but HDFC Bank and Axis Bank, these were some of the more muted trends of the day. There was some profit taking on auto stocks as well, by the way. We saw auto stocks cool off after the mega rally yesterday. So Tata Motors, Maruti, Hero Moto, these were stocks on the lower side. Some profit taking on Z Entertainment, and HUL was also in negative territory, a big heavyweight to take note of. Now we come to the mid-cap action. The breadth was still strong, and there are lots of pockets that are buzzing around. Road contracting companies, for instance, today Dilip Buildcon, Ashoka Buildcon, they had some stellar gains to note. A couple of banks, some of the smaller banks like J&K Bank, South Indian Bank, Indian Bank, these were some impressive gains, as was Spencer Retail. The sugar space is still buzzing. There's some anticipation on more measures on ethanol. So Praj Industries, Balrampur Chini, these stocks were still active. On the losing side on mid-caps, I'd just like to point out Endurance Tech, where there is an open offer, or rather an offer for sale going on from the promoters, and some profit taking on IGL as well as Bharat Forge. To sum things up, the going is still good, though we are getting close to original resistance levels. So let's see how the next 2 days play out.